How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video, and today we're back in Mexico in my little 3-valve going up against some really fast cars. We have a white Z01 claiming 750 wheel, but you'll see through the race he's making a hell of a lot more. I know my dyno chart doesn't lie, and he's making a hell of a lot more. We also have Evo 10s, Lamborghinis, more Z01s, motorcycles, boosted S2Ks. I mean, we got a lot of cars packed into this video. Stay tuned, sit back, and relax. Hope you guys enjoy.
That was like a piece of metal, like a sign.
Did someone hit it?
I think so. Either way, I want to thank that Kia.
Right? Well, I saw him swerve, so I was like, oh, fuck.
I guarantee Mark was probably like, oh, fuck. No, that's not us.
Camry. Okay.
Camry bumper?
They dragged something. Something was underneath. I saw the shit underneath. Fucking debris. You should have never got on it aggressively, you know what I mean?
No, I guarantee Mark dropped his fucking heart probably sank.
Oh, yeah. I know. It's cold, bro.
Yeah, we really did not hook.
It's cold. I knew that was going to be a problem, too. But did you catch him, or did he get out of it a little bit?
No, I don't know.
And I knew that other guy couldn't hear it.
Yeah.
So I'm like, he's only going to go, he's going to lose the jump. He's going to go when you guys go. But
yeah, the car was starting to get squirrely at the end. I don't know if you felt it.
no, I didn't feel it.
Oh, on my window. I think it went over the carpool lane when I was on it and started to get a little squirrely.
Really?
Right on the line, yeah. That's the first time I've ever spun on these tires.
Yeah, but it's cold, dude. I checked, it was 45 degrees.
Really?
Yeah.
Nah, it's that weight I took out, that 12 pounds, man.
I set it on my truck temp gauge when I was pulling up. 45, dude. It's cold, man.
Yeah, we gotta warm them up.
That's a big deal.
Okay, so I gotta ease onto it then.
Ease onto it, but hopefully air temps are like nothing, right? I mean, 81. So you should be making even more power with less traction. So yeah, that's.
Yeah, I'll ease onto it.
You got the jump.
Yeah, I told you.
This shit fucking moves, dog.
This shit ain't 750.
That ain't 750, dog. Damn.
I got something in my eye. Alright, no point.
Fuck.
No, this shit moves. I was hoping, okay, I got a hook.
I hope this is good. I mean, I'm on him.
It's fine, yeah.
It's such a small screen, too. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah, I knew, dude. Because last time he came, he said he was making 8 something. I was like, 750 ain't right. You should just give me the hit.
You should. You're right.
You should have just told him.
Yeah. We don't even need to count.
No, he'll reel me in either way. Unless my car magically gains 100 horsepower.
Yeah.
But,
well, he'll definitely be on slower in the beginning on traction, but he will catch you.
I mean, it seemed like he hooked.
Well, if you start slower, though,
yeah.
I think that's where we started, what, 60, 50?
40.
I was
50-ish. I was in second.
Yeah, but it was high up, though.
Alright, I'm good. I fucking missed some shit, damn it! But we might have a good run.
Well, you can redo it.
Yeah, we can redo it. Fuck, I missed.
Slow way down. Slow
How
way
did
down.
I miss fourth?
After the light.
Yeah.
Because that way we.
How did I miss fourth?
I don't know, but you did. You're gonna catch that car again really fast. Yeah. Slow way down. I'm gonna give him the fine. There we go. He's reading.
Why'd he do that?
Flashing to get him to slow way the fuck down. There you go. He's good. He's smart. He's trying to heat his tires up. I know he's doing.
What's this car coming up hot behind us? Real hot.
It's the car that wants to get around. You're good.
What the?
Alright, not bad.
It's not as bad as it was the first time.
Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah, alright, that's a lot better.
He was struggling that first time, bro. He fell way back, and I was like, fuck, you got him. But I knew it was because of traction. But you see him get on it again, and you see how squirrely he was?
Yeah.
He was heating those fuckers up.
Smart.
He knows what he's doing.
He knows what he's doing.
That's why, and then he knew to stop, slow way down. He's quick.
Yeah.
I like him. He's fast with the thought process.
Yeah, he knows.
He knows.
He's like, I'm not just doing this just to be a dick. He's like,
Yeah, I know. And then I think when you flashed him, he was like, yeah, I got to get way back to you. Because
That's a lot better of a run, though.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I mean, he was pulling, and I don't know how fast we were going.
I have no idea.
We weren't in it like the GT350, but
That was fucking good, dude.
yeah, not bad.
You're like, what's this car coming up? I'm like, it's a Highlander with fog lights. Don't worry about it. It really was, though.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, don't worry about that Highlander. We'll be out of his way in about 3.2 seconds. He's gone. I was like, let him tailgate. He can't do anything anyways. He'll figure, by the time he figures out what the fuck's going on, we'll already be gone.
Got it?
Wait, so you won?
Yeah, we beat him. And I didn't hook.
You hooked?
I didn't hook. See, that's why he's out of here. He's like, fuck that shit.
My legs are shaking because I'm scared.
Huh?
My legs are shaking because I'm scared.
It's okay, yeah, it goes away. I was trying to tell him after the turn. I wasn't in the right gear.
But that's 2,000 on the ratio.
Oh, he does? How do you know?
Because you keep looking over here.
run.
Nah, good.
You felt it? That guy's fast.
Well, guys, I think the 3-valve did pretty good. It got gapped by those Z01s, and I mean gapped. Those cars are super fast. I mean, I'm predicting near 800 wheel at least. Just from talking to both owners, they are really fast cars. Those cars with the A10 transmission really packs a punch and just keeps on going. But I think the 3-valve did pretty good. Anyways, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a thumbs up and comment down below which race was your favorite. I got some mods done and it's being tuned as we speak, so I hope you guys are excited to see what I got cooking. I know I said I wasn't going to add much more power, but you know what, things happen and we always got to get a little bit faster, right? Anyways, until next video, peace.